Hey guys, Tony here. It does look like we are about to break 30 on Shiba Inu. We are at $29.99. We are basically right there. Let me actually go into the minute. I want to see if we actually do break it pretty soon. But it does look like we are going to break. Oh, there you go. Shiba Inu officially breaks 30. I still have my price target of 0.000032. And as of right now, it does look like it's pushing up pretty hard after that 30 mark. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Oh wow, it's really pushing hard after 30. So we'll see what happens from now on. But you know, keep an eye out. I told you guys that I think I was gonna hit 32 today. I had an original price target of October 9th, but I actually moved that up to today because the technical analysis actually looked pretty consistent, and I wanted to just kind of, you know, I was like, you know what, I'm calling it 32 by the end of today. So it looks like we're getting pretty damn close. We'll see if this hits tomorrow or today, or if this crashes to zero. Nobody knows, man. But as far as what I'm seeing, I'm hoping that it hits 32 sometime today. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.